Iowa City, Iowa. Iowa erased an early deficit, rallied to take an 8-point lead midway through the second half but couldn't hang on in a 96-93 loss to Michigan State on Tuesday at Carver Hawkeye Arena. Michigan State, 23-3, 11-2 Big Ten, is ranked 4th in both national polls. Iowa, 12-14, 3-10, has lost 2 straight games. Why? Iowa's offense executed at a high level, especially in the second half. There was a stretch when the Hawkeyes scored on 18 of 21 possessions. But over the last 3 minutes, Iowa struggled to get good shots and scored just twice. The Hawkeyes were outscored 11-4 during that time frame. What it means? Iowa now has its first losing record in Big Ten play since 2012. It was a gallant effort by the Hawkeyes against a terrific basketball team. Even when Iowa got behind 10-2, the Hawkeyes didn't panic. When Iowa needed stops, it got them. Although the total number of points was high, Iowa's defensive stops were crucial for most of the game. Who starred? Iowa forward Tyler Cook was a mismatch nightmare, scoring almost at will against Michigan State inside with 26 points. Despite feeling sick and barely able to play, Iowa guard Jordan Bohannon scored 17 points, dished 6 assists and had no turnovers. Who stumbled? Iowa from the free throw line. That was the difference in this game. The Hawkeyes were 12 of 19 while the Spartans were 24 of 29. Who's next? Iowa plays at number 14 Ohio State at 5 p.m. CT Saturday. Iowa Michigan State game updates. 10:03 p.m. 2H, 42.5, awfully big possession here. Smart to buy Iowa. Spartans lead 92-91 with 42.5 seconds left and 11 on the shot clock. 9:45 p.m. 2H, 6:50, Maish Daly has become a star for Iowa tonight, drilling 3 three-pointers to help Iowa with an 81-76 lead. Michigan State coach Tom Izzo delivered a cheap comment at Daly's expense during a halftime interview. 9:41 p.m. 2H, 8:45, Iowa keeps attacking Michigan State and has built a 78-71 lead. Iowa's offense is off the charts this half. Best half I've seen by a McCaffrey team against a real opponent. Scored on 18 of 21 possessions. 9:33 p.m. 2H, 11:17, the Hawkeyes remain in the lead at 68-66. Iowa has put together a tenacious effort at both ends of the floor and it's been obvious. Clearly its best effort of the season. 9:29 p.m. 2H, 12:17, Iowa has scored on 13 of 15 possessions this half and reversed a 6-point halftime deficit into a 4-point lead on number 4 Spartans. Tyler Cook has been a machine, scoring 9 points in the last 3 minutes. Jordan Bohannon's three-pointer puts Iowa up 68-64. 9:19 p.m. 2H, 15:49. Iowa continues to battle number 4 Michigan State, trailing just 58-55. At one point the Hawkeyes scored on 6 straight possessions and has attacked Michigan State's defenders. MSU already has 6 fouls this half. 9 p.m., halftime, Michigan State leads 48-42. After a rough first couple of minutes, Iowa settled down and competed with the number 4 Spartans. Michigan State outscored Iowa 10-2 to start the game after scoring on its first 5 possessions. The Spartans have outscored the Hawkeyes 12-2 at the free throw line, which makes up for more of the difference. Cambo guard Miles Bridges has 15 for the Spartans, while Tyler Cook has 11 for Iowa. 8:40 p.m., 1H, 3:39, Jordan Bohannon picked up a second foul, which sent him to the bench. Iowa has still fought the Spartans but trail 41-33 with the ball. Michigan State has consistently scored in the paint, which is a problem. The Spartans average 64% shooting. 8:30 p.m., 1H, 7:48, Iowa has consistently battled the Spartans and tied up the game at 26-26 on a Jordan Bohannon three-pointer. Miles Bridges then put the Spartans up 29-26. Bohannon has 8 points, 4 assists, 4 rebounds for Iowa. 8:25 p.m., 1H, 10-11, Iowa isn't going away. The Hawkeyes have pulled within 24-21 after a traditional three-point play by Tyler Cook. 8:13 p.m., 1H, 14-26, Michigan State scored on its first 5 possessions and lead 16-9 through the first media timeout. The Spartans are shooting 7 of 12 from the field. Jared Jackson has 6 points and 3 rebounds for Michigan State. Iowa point guard Jordan Bohannon has 5 points. 8 p.m., an incredible rendition of the Star-Spangled Banner Tonight by Joe Everson, who sang and painted during the song. Here is his creation.